welcome to My Moment, the best journal for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today, I'm going to share with you the best drugstore makeup and its must-have in your makeup kit because I've been using over the year and it could able to compete with high-end products. So let's get started. The first products I'm going to apply is from ETUDE House. This is absolutely my favorite sunscreens. First of all, it's super light. Yes, it has a little white cast, but it's not a major thing because if you are going to rub the products against your finger then apply to your face, it's not going to create that white cast. Also, if you have acne prone skin and are very picky about your sunscreens, then go ahead and try this one because whenever you apply it on, you cannot feel it at all and it's not sticky. I'm so glad that I stumbled upon this product right here. It's from Daiso, so everything is basically $1.50, but it works so well, just like Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Whisk. And if you like that product, go ahead and give this a try because you are going to be surprised with the turnout. It's easier to draw an outline first on both sides, making sure that both sides is even. Yes, I know it's hard because everybody have uneven eye. That sounds weird, but seriously, if you check it closely, your eyes would not be symmetrical. Then I like to fill in the outer corners and gradually to the mid and also the beginning. Then using the spoolie, and I'm going to brush it out, making this eyebrows look more even and natural. Seriously, I've gone through 4 or 5 of this eyebrows pencil already and I always come back for more. I don't know about you guys, but after wearing a lot of lipstick, my lips get so dry, so I always have to apply lip treatment. And for this product right here, it does help to get my lips to be soft. You do need to reapply it throughout the day, but the smell, it is so good and I love it so much. If you are a type of person that skip out on moisturizer, although it's very important, then you should try this primer. It's going to hydrate your skin and moisturizing at the same time, but the downfall is not going to help to cover your pores. But the benefit about this product is once you apply it on, it's not going to dry, it's going to become a little bit sticky, which helps the foundation to stay put and long lasting. Currently, I am obsessed over this foundation. It fits so perfect for my skin type, which is combinations. It's going to soak up all the oil on my skin and leaving my skin look beautiful and flawless throughout the whole day. But if you have a dry skin, definitely be careful because of this product that is going to finish matte. It could cause your skin to look pretty dry and also patchy and cakey at the same time. I like to use a damp beauty sponge and apply the foundation starting from the center of my face and work outward from the outer corners. Using a tapping motion and concentrating at that area until it's well blend is the best method to apply foundation. The secret to make your foundation look flawless is actually here. Using a fluffy brush and you want to use a circular motions, rub it back and forth and eventually it's going to blend it so well it looks just like skin. Who love Tarte Shape Tape? Because I do. This product here is way cheaper than Tarte Shape Tape that we all know and love, but seriously it is so moisturizing under the eye, really easy to blend, and it have a very good coverage. And I love the applicator. It is way smaller than the Tarte Shape Tape, which is easier to apply and way more precise. You definitely want to highlight your forehead, on the bridge of your nose, under your eyes, the cupid bow, and lastly is going to be your chins. Then using a beauty sponge to blend everything together and your face is going to look so nice and beautiful. Another benefit of using concealers is can act as an eye primers. Go ahead and apply all over your lid, then use a beauty sponge to blend everything together all over your lid and it should look like this. Here's my technique to create an absolutely amazing eye makeup in just 1 minute. Using my ring finger and dip in this highlighters and only apply half of my lid. Once I'm satisfied with the placements and also the intensive colors, I'm going to use a blending brush and blending out those harsh edges. Don't underestimate this part. It is very important to create absolutely beautiful eyeshadows no matter what color you use. I've been searching for this kind of purple that have a duochrome for the longest time. It is so beautiful, and what you want to do is starting out from the outer corners and gradually blending toward the midsection, but you want to concentrate the darker colors on the outer part, which is going to help your eyes look bigger and create more depth. This will be the most beautiful highlighters that you will ever encounter, and you want to pop right in the corners of your eyes. This is going to brighten that area, which help to get a bigger eye illusions and have a Barbie doll effect. Really try to blend it out versus you pack all the color in one spot. It would not look nice. Going back to the purple eyeshadows, I'm going to apply that underneath my eyelid, just complete this look, and I'm using a flat brushes because it's actually easier to apply that under my eyes. I've been reaching for this liquid eyeliner every time that I do my makeup. If you have tried Stila black liquid eyeliners in Haus Laboratory, this one is kind of like a hybrid of both. So two of them marry each other and born this one. It is so great, very pigmented, and really smooth, easy to apply, but be careful. Since this product is waterproof, if you make one mark, it is super hard to take it off. The best method to apply liquid eyeliners is don't breathe. And yes, that seems weird, but it worked every single time because you're going to be less shaky and you are going to be more precise. Here's another technique. If your liquid eyeliners that you drew on the bottom is not even, just go ahead and use a detail brush and blending it back and forth. The turnout look really nice and your mistake is basically gone. Whenever I do makeup, this is a must. I definitely have to apply false lashes, and this is my favorite eyelashes glue because it's really helped my lashes to stay long, and sometimes even if I cry, it's still there. If you're looking for a mascara that is affordable and also help to volumize but not lengthening, definitely this product's right here. It's able to target every string of my baby lashes, and I'm using the edge of the tube to help me target every single strings because my lashes, it is so short. Another product that definitely worth your money is this bronzer right here. The smell, it is so good. It is coconut. If you like that scent, you're going to be so obsessed. It gave me a really nice bronze look, not too muddy or too dark. I just really enjoy the colors. The bronzers is very smooth and easy to apply, and it looks so effortless. I love to contour my nose because my bridge is not distinct. I'm not going to show you in detail how I contour my nose because I have a video dedicated for that. You can definitely check out this video right here if you're interested. Even though in that video I use a different products, but the method is applied the same. Majority of time lip liner is all the same, so you don't have to spend a lot of money for it. Even for this product right here, is absolutely amazing. It's going to help your lipstick last longer, and also it's going to go ahead and stop the color from bleeding. This lip liner is really smooth, which is easy to apply, and the color is really rich. If you can only buy one product from this recommendations I give you, definitely this one. Oh my gosh, I love the colors, but the result that it gave me throughout the day, I don't have to reapply, and it's not transfer. It's actually transfer proof. Oh, I love it so much. And seriously, this is true to its name, Super Stay. And if you are going to try to take it off, you need to take it off with makeup remover because it will not come off. If you don't have enough time to wait for the liquid lipstick to dry, you can definitely press against the cotton pad and the excess will transfer through there, and your lipstick will become transfer proof and also waterproof. Currently, I'm into peach blushes. It's basically the new black. It is so nice, so beautiful, and it's going to help you look youthful and young, and it's just perfect if you are looking for a makeup that is like makeup but no makeup style because it looks really natural. Whenever you are applying blushes, make sure you are going to bring it back toward your hairline. You don't want everything to pack it in one spot because it's not going to look as nice. Make sure you are going to guide your brushes upward because it's going to help your face look lifted. I love the blings and also I love the glitter. So definitely I had to add some highlighters in this area, and can you see how it's reflect against the light? It's so beautiful wherever I turn. If you love baking your face, then here's the powder that is going to save your day. And be aware, the smell of this powder is like your grandma makeup, and I'm not kidding, it is super strong. I'm not going to bake my face today, but I just want for the products to soak all my oil, so that's why I'm going to use this fluffy brush and apply lightly all over my face, and it's going to keep this looking nice throughout the day. And lastly, the final products we are going to set and forget. This is a Morphe setting spray. I just love how the mist is going to fall among my skin. It is so light instead of a water gun like some products that I used before. After you apply setting spray, make sure you don't want to touch. It could be air dry or using your hands to actually help it to dry faster. I hope you enjoyed this video because makeup could cost a fortune, and girl, buying all the makeup going to break your bank. And so here I am going to share with you what products is going to be best and some products is basically trash. And I focus more into a drugstore, so if a product could able to outbeat the high end, I'm going to share with that you guys. There's another 2 video waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, give this video a like. Also comment below of what you want to see next because I love to read them. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.